Your business is growing fast. To get ahead, you need a multifunction printer that won't slow you down with frequent ink replacements. That's why there's Brother Business Smart INKvestment Tank printers. With loads of business-centric features, they work as hard as you do. Brother INKvestment Tank printers come with up to 1 year of ink in the box, so you don't have to worry about your business slowing down to replace ink cartridges. The familiar, easy-to-use cartridges transfer ink to an internal storage tank, giving you more pages of truly convenient printing. And with the new intelligent page gauge, you'll have confidence that you won't run out of ink in the middle of a critical print job. If you want even more uninterrupted printing, upgrade to XL Extended Print for up to 2 years of ink in the box. Brother INKvestment Tank all-in-one printers are loaded with business features that keep up in today's fast-paced business climate, including ledger-sized paper handling for financial reports, schedules, budgets, and more. The 50-sheet automatic document feeder lets you handle stacks of documents with ease. There's also built-in wireless or Ethernet and cutting-edge mobile features, allowing you to print and scan on the go. It's easy to print from, scan to, or share documents through popular cloud apps. Every business needs a reliable printer, so all Brother printers are backed by our at-your-side support for the life of the product. Get a Brother Business Smart INKvestment Tank printer for your office and change the way you ink.